I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust Medieval servers. First, open your game and navigate to the server browser. Look for community servers with Medieval in their name or description. Once you find one, read its specific rules carefully, as they often differ from standard Rust. Then, choose a spawn point that offers some initial safety and resources to begin your adventure. Your first few minutes are critical for survival. Immediately gather wood from trees and stone from rocks. Use these to craft a stone pickaxe and a stone hatchet, which greatly speed up resource collection. Next, find a suitable spot to build a small, secure starter base. This provides a safe place to store your items and protect you from other players and environmental hazards. As you progress, focus on researching new blueprints to unlock more advanced medieval weaponry and armor. Practice your combat skills with melee weapons like swords and spears, and ranged options such as bows. Consider forming alliances with other players or joining an established clan. This significantly increases your chances of survival and allows for larger-scale endeavors and defense. To truly thrive, actively participate in server events and engage with the player-driven economy. Always be prepared to defend your base from potential raids by setting up traps and strategic defenses. Don't forget to explore the vast map. You might discover valuable resources, hidden monuments, or even new areas to expand your influence. Enjoy the unique challenges of the medieval world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.